You wake up, look around your room, and instantly feel overwhelmed. Piles of laundry sit on a chair, clutter covers your desk, and your mind feels completely exhausted. You tell yourself you just need to clean, but every time you try, you lose all your motivation within minutes. This isn't laziness, it's cognitive overload. Your brain is mirroring your environment, and visual noise quietly drains your energy without you realizing it. But the fourth habit I'll share today will completely change your perspective on keeping your space clear. A 2021 study from the University of Tokyo found that individuals in uncluttered spaces experienced a 43% drop in baseline cortisol. A viewer named Sarah wrote to me about this exact struggle. She felt paralyzed until she shifted her focus from cleaning to creating peace. Osoji means the big cleaning. In Japanese culture, this practice purifies the home for the new year. Neuroscience shows resetting your environment releases dopamine, creating a motivation loop. Set a timer for 10 minutes today to clear one single surface. Once you master this, you'll be ready to embrace imperfection. Wabi-Sabi is the acceptance of imperfection. In Japan, weathered objects are celebrated for holding unique, beautiful stories. Psychologically, releasing the need for a curated home prevents perfectionism paralysis. Allow one area to remain comfortably lived in, rather than perfectly organized. To truly organize what you keep, you need a different spatial philosophy entirely. Ma translates to negative space. Traditional Japanese design relies on the profound belief that emptiness is vital. Leaving intentional gaps on shelves reduces your brain's visual processing demands, immediately fostering calmness. Remove 3 decorative items from your room today. If this video is helping you, consider subscribing and turning on notifications. Let's maintain this newfound clarity. Dancharai means to refuse, dispose, and separate. This minimalist philosophy detaches us from material desires in modern Japanese living. Stanford University research indicates that letting go of physical attachments greatly improves emotional regulation. Find one unused item today and gracefully donate it. This simple subtraction leads directly to the discipline of mindful movement. Osoji is the daily mindful practice of cleaning. Zen monasteries treat sweeping not as a chore, but as an active moving meditation. Engaging in repetitive physical tasks activates the parasympathetic nervous system, grounding you entirely in the present. Tonight, sweep your floor slowly while focusing strictly on the broom sound. Let's tie this all together. Through Kaizen philosophy, your home gradually becomes a sanctuary. It's not about achieving a spotless house. It's about curating a peaceful mind. Which of these habits will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. Please subscribe if you found value today, and watch my video on Japanese morning routines next. Fall 7 times, stand up 8. I'm Kai from Japanese Productivity. Until next time, take one small step toward a calmer life.